Okay, so here I am, no makeup. I'm not gonna do my makeup today because I don't feel like it, and I hope that's okay with you. I'm trying to set up, but there's a lot of Legos going on. I don't know if you can see that, and I made some food earlier. I'm gonna try and clear all that out, but I hope you can see the canvas. You're sitting on the kitty tree. I hope that's okay. Following a Jenna Marbles, following a Bob Ross tutorial. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so I just try to edit this masterpiece. Anyway, I figured since it sucks, since it's so bad, maybe I should do a spin on this whole following a tutorial type of thing. So how about we do it backwards and start with the exceptionally awesome final product. Anyways, here's the video. I hope you enjoy my misery. Oh hey, hello there. Welcome to my channel. This is the Silence channel, where I do weird things that I feel like doing. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you like seeing strange videos like this. So, let's get to it. Can you see the mess? Or have I cleared out the mess enough? I hope I did. I don't know if you can see my... Yeah, maybe you can. Isn't this a great outfit? Okay. Anyway. Oh, just to let you know, I am not a professional painter in any way. I am pure beginner. I have no idea what I'm doing. This should be fun. Okay, we're not ready to begin yet because I painted a while ago, and what happened here, we're gonna remove this and then I'm gonna turn it around. Found some of this stuff. But wrap this up, and I don't know if this is a good idea. I realized that I'm really dark, but how about that? Now I just put my paint down on it. I just don't want the light shining into my eyes. Okay. How about now? Okay, I'm still super dark. How about this light? Then you can see all my mess. I move you over here. This feels like the right angle. Can I move your cat tree, sweetie? Are you gonna be mad at me if I move the cat tree? So this is where it starts, but we're gonna do it backwards. The camera died, so for comparison, here is the final result. I know it is a completely different painting, but yeah.